Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because that's where sync controls live. First, you open Settings and go to Accounts or Google. Use whichever appears on your phone. Locate the specific account that handles photo sync, like Google Photos or Samsung Cloud, and tap it. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have mobile data enabled so the toggle reflects the real state. Once listed, you're ready to adjust sync items. We'll turn off only photo sharing so other data stays intact. Now you focus on the sync items themselves. Tap Sync or Sync Account Settings and scan the list for Photos, Google Photos, Backup and Sync, or similar labels. Toggle the Photos option off. Some phones show a global copy that you must turn off inside the Photos app as well. If a confirmation appears, accept it to stop uploads. Make sure to check both account level and app level switches so new pictures won't upload automatically from the moment you take them. Finish by verifying inside the Photos app. Open its settings and ensure backup and sync is off. Once done, take a test photo and confirm it does not upload. If images still appear in the cloud, sign out of the account or temporarily remove the account to force a halt. Restart the phone, and if the sync status looks wrong, clear the app cache for photos or cloud storage. If problems continue, check for device-specific backup apps and disable those as well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.